Introduce highlight features or overview about Pofart vibration plate exercise machine with remote control. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview are include: build a perfect body. Our vibration plate uses a powerful and silent motor, vibrate your whole body and relax your muscle. Increase flexibility while stimulating muscle tissue, burn fat and lose weight. Help you get fit fast by our power plate. 10 minutes is equal to 1 hour in the gym. Full body flexibility. The magnets on the vibration plate will massage your feet, presses the pressure points which massage your body with long-lasting, helps in relieving back pain, headache, blood circulation. Helps you to release stress and relieve anxiety to maintain healthy life. 1 to 120 speed adjustment. The speed gear of the vibration table is from 1 to 120 level, maximizing your workouts. Remote control can easily control the mode and quickly change the exercise intensity. You can adjust the speed/time according to your exercise needs. Remote control. Our vibration plate is equipped with remote control. It is very convenient to adjust the speed and time through the remote control. Customized different mode for you, walking, jogging and running automatic modes, which are designed for different exercise demands. Safety and humanization design. Vibrating plate with high-quality ABS material and double-thickened surface to make the plate more durable and sturdy. 4 anti-slip suckers on the bottom offers the stability of the vibrating platform while using. Compact size can be used anywhere and save space, 20.5 x 11.8 inches. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.